For more than 15 years, KSL Cleantech has been working with governments, institutions like railways, defense, education, banking, and thousands of homeowners to bring clean, affordable solar energy for their benefit. We work with leading banks and investors to offer financing and PPA products for these projects. At KSL, our mission is really to spearhead the adoption of solar energy across industries, businesses, and institutions in the most economical, technologically advanced manner, and also offer state-of-the-art O&M services to deliver 100% satisfaction and highest return on their investments.
Very delighted that the generation could start just within 4 months from the date of award of LOA. The team was very professional. They took care for everything from starting design and engineering to installation.
One thing that I particularly liked about KSL was that they made sure that they guide us well and we choose the right products.
They handled all the aspects of the installation, the commissioning, the licenses required, and they explained us in great detail the advantages of the project as well as the challenges which we would face. I would say they have been very patient in answering all our queries.
I would like to share experience with KSL Solar, regarding my pre-order as well as post-order experience. The pre-order communication was very smooth. I was in regular touch with Mr. Aditya and Mr. Neeraj Rashaka, who clearly explained the pros and cons of having the solar plant installed. Order was timely executed, and the post-order service and response that we're getting from KSL team is satisfactory. Whatever small or large query we might have is being well addressed. From an industry's perspective, I think solar plants have redefined the way we manage our energy, and it is highly beneficial for any organization. I would highly recommend it to the industry as well.
So we were looking at solar EPC because number one, it is cost effective. Number two, it is green energy. We are already in a tea industry, so we already are very environment friendly. So even now solar adds to our environment challenges in our tea state. So maybe someday we may get carbon credits also in future. I mean, it's a very transparent company. They like to educate the customers more than selling the equipment, which is, I think, the most important thing, because there are so many vendors and they have been very honest and upfront in what they say. Dheeraj has been really amazing in convincing us to go with solar. So yes.
I would encourage everyone in this industry, especially the steel sector, to move towards sustainable solutions. Solar power is a great initiative and KSL is doing a fantastic job for it.
After putting through KSL, the first phase was executed in record time and I had a very pleasant experience.
Unit 2 of our factory is working remarkably well, and we are getting the desired results as committed by the company.
I invite you to partner with us and begin your energy transformation journey today.